Hello everybody! Today I'm going to take a close-up look at the TK Maxx Bag for Life. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is a TK Maxx Bag for Life. And just taking a look at the details of the bag, still in its folded up state. And now let's go ahead and unfold it so we can see the details of the bag more clearly. So giving you a look right there at this overall black bag with some white stylized artwork or design on both sides. And let's take a look at the hang tag that's attached to it. And taking a much closer in look at the reverse or back side of this hang tag. So it does support the Princess Trust Achieve program. And now taking a further look at the details of the bag, so we can see that it is made out of cotton. So giving you a close-up look at the details of the textile or fabric, and of course the stitching details as well for the carry handles and strap, and of course the artwork that's on the bag. So we can see that white stylized print of an image or face. So I'm just going to lay it down flat so you can see it more clearly. And now taking that close-up look at the details of that artwork on this black cotton bag. And now flipping it over to the opposite side so we can see what appears to be a female figure with a hand in front of her face or to the side of it. And once again giving you a close-up look at the details of the bag and its overall shape. Since we can see that it does appear to have a HomeSense TK Maxx branding tag or label to the side. So you can see that HomeSense and TK Maxx branding. So I'm just going to flip it to the side so you can see it in the upright orientation. It's right there, TK Maxx. And on the reverse, HomeSense. Okay, and now let's puff up the bag so it gets more of the proper shape for utilization. So there, giving you a look at the width of the bag. And of course, the bottom as well. To give you a sense of its overall dimensions or size. So bag fully stretched out and laid flat on the tabletop, just placing my hand over the middle of the bag so you can see the overall size. And same on the reverse. Just placing my hand once again over the middle of the bag. And let's take a look at the carry handles or straps. And of course giving you that close-up look and detail, so they feel rather sturdy and thick, so giving you a look at the thickness of the straps as best that I can with what we've got here. So you can see it does have a coarser finish for grip and durability. Then the body of the bag itself, so you can see that contrast there of the weaving of the strap as well as the body of the bag. And taking a look on the inside of the bag, just giving you a look at the interior details. So just going to flip that strap over so you can see the inside lining, or at least the inside details of the bag. And you can see as well there is some white detailing on the inside. And there is a label on one side of the bag, just giving you a look at that care label or garment label or product label right there. Let's try and get in closer so you can see the details more clearly. And just flipping that top label back. And we can see that it's 100% cotton. And the other details as well. So right there, the labels for this TK Maxx Bag for Life. Alright, so taking a look at the bottom or base of the bag on the inside, so we can see that it appears to be unlined, same material in and out, even for the base or bottom. Now let's see if we can hold it up by the handle so you can see the bag in a somewhat upright position, but of course slightly floppy with nothing inside of it. So that's the TK Maxx Bag for Life. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!